Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like 2 nights in this hotel.
Okay, how many people?
2, please.
Are there any children?
No, there aren't.
Okay, what kind of room?
The more expensive one, please.
It has a walk-in shower, satellite TV, Wi-Fi connection, double bed, sauna, spa, and breakfast is included.
Okay, how much does it cost?
In total, $1,400.
Okay, thank you.
When are you coming?
On the 1st of March.
Okay, what's your name?
Miss Caramiñana.
How do you spell that, please?
That's CARRAMIGNANA.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.